Guys, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today and we are going to talk about guys how can we enable aeroplane mode option means aeroplane mode setting how can we enable in our Poco phone. In this video fans I am going to show you guys. So before starting video fans, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable aeroplane mode setting. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys to enable your aeroplane mode setting. Then guys roll it friends, you can see this type of setting. So and how to enable aeroplane mode in our Poco phone guys. So friends, you can see connection and sharing guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your aeroplane mode setting guys. You want to enable guys, tap on aeroplane mode setting guys. Then it will enable, this icon will enable, and friends you can see your aeroplane mode icon on your screen guys. You can enable. After enable guys, you cannot use guys this call setting guys. You cannot use your mobile data setting guys. Guys, you can use guys your music you have download movies, download song, and get offline game you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.